All right, Bauman Law family, 2023 Ugly Sweater Party, here we come.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Leave a message. Damn, can't believe 2011 to 2013 went from 2 people to 75. Big things to come. Couldn't be more proud of us.
It's time to get ready for retirement, people. Take it over. Let us enjoy.
Costa, here he goes. Please send me to Cabo.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Hey, it's Big Al here at the Bauman Law Shindig. It's always one party better than the next every year. I'd like to thank Mr. Bass, Mr. Bauman for their hospitality, and appreciate all the fun we're going to have tonight. Everybody be safe. Everybody be joyous. Everybody be safe getting home. Don't drink and drive. That's why there's Lyft and Uber. We're the accident business. We like car accidents as long as it's not anybody in our firm or in our family. Okay? Everybody have a great night. Love you all.
Merry Christmas to all.
Is this the Bauman Law Crushers?
I'm here with.
Are we gonna crush it?
Ligma Pulse.
Are you suffering of ligma? Call Bauman.
They can get you a nice settlement. But if Sean Bauman takes your case,
Hello?
it'll be the nice.
Who is this?
Wait. Are you still there? Oh, thank God. I thought I lost you.
We're gonna crush it. Crush, bro. Yeah, hi. This is Anthony Giarusso. I'm just leaving a message. My check bounced 3 times, and my settlement was supposed to be $4K. I got negative $3,000. I owe you guys. Hopefully, you guys can get this cleared up. Get my insurance current. I ran the red light on the corner of Van Owen and Platt. You guys kind of manifested this a long time ago. It was going to happen, and I think I'm gonna sue you guys. So thanks for the invite. I'll serve you guys.
Thank you for inviting me in this epic party. This is Glenn from Axley, and always thank you for giving us support all the time, and hope for more success for this coming year. Thank you so much. Justin and Sean, you've been the #1 ever since. You two are awesome. Have a great year ahead of you guys. Happy holidays.
Thank you for calling Bauman Law. This is Sal Murray. How can I be of service? Yeah, no, I don't know if I can leave anything R-rated on here, so that's all I'm leaving with. Thank you.
Hey, it's Michael Sheedy. Happy holidays. Thanks for the invite, party, and happy New Year.
Unfortunately, I didn't get the ugly sweater memo, so I came out here looking like deck the fucking halls of Jolly. Holla at me.
Hey, man. Happy holidays. Just want to leave this message. Everybody, happy holidays.
Hi, this is Shabby. I was wondering if I could have one more assistant on my team. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, I think I got it backwards because I just hung up the phone. I left a message, and now I'm picking it up. Oh, wait, I think I got it backwards.
Yeah, I want to say you're the best firm that I never met you guys. Oh my goodness, you're the best of the best, and you're the best of the best. I tell you something. If I were in Spanish, I'll be white because white. I wish something. I wish Trump is back in the president, and I tell you this, white is right. I don't know about Spanish. Oh, let me get on Biden, Hunter Biden. Tell them they want to party all night. Let me tell you something. This is the Sosas. Let's get it on, baby. Hey, you're the best firm ever. Oh, okay.
Hello? God, I really hope they don't listen to this. I'm gonna sound very unhinged, I think. I would have sang a song, but it would have made you guys a little bit sad. But you guys should listen to it. It's Fragile by Fuck, Yaritza y su esencia, and who else is it by? Oh, Grupo Frontera. Grupo Frontera. Yeah. You guys need to listen to more Mexican music. That shit's fucking hot as fuck. And also, if you guys listen to this, maybe I should probably maybe get a raise. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hey, thank you for the free alcohol.
Yo, Hebrew Hammer. Shout out for the invite, dude. Appreciate dog. Keep it sleazy.
Wait a minute. I just want to say, I want Mr. President. Happy birthday. How you doing?
Justin, I need to charge you more. Sean, you too, motherfucker. Love ya.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
She's so fire me. I only added this once a year, like a toxic ex, like a red flag. It's giving a red flag. We probably could use less Prop 213 clients because they suck. But besides that, I actually like working here. I don't know. Don't fire me. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe give me a raise. I need it, but don't fire me. I'm hard working, okay? Let's wait and see if motherfucker. Oh my god, he's smoking? What? Can I hit my nick in here? Yeah, I feel like red flag. I'm like the bad ex that keeps blowing up your voicemail, but I actually like working here. So, thanks, because I had zero experience. I don't know what you guys were thinking hiring a bitch straight out of McDonald's, but thanks a lot, because, you guys are kind of dope. Okay, bye.